That's the beauty of finding a coach or a mentor. See, we have all these logical reasons why we can't do something, but they've actually been through that minefield and they know where to step. And they save you time. They save you so much time. Have you ever heard how people will say, oh, she's successful, but she's not happy. Oh, he's successful, but he's always looking for something else. He's empty inside. Well, you know why that is? Because success is not the gold medal. Everybody thinks success is the gold medal. It's not. Success is the silver medal. You know what the gold medal is? It's called significance, all right? That means you help somebody else succeed. That fills that little hole in your heart. And so as long as you're willing to do whatever they teach you right away, as long as you're willing to take action and actually succeed, you're helping them win the gold medal and they're helping you win the silver medal, and you just might make a best friend. So go after them. If your idea is, I just want to learn how to do it, then don't bother them, okay? And so that's what I learned from him. And we wrote the book, and it worked, and it opened up some doors.